Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of a small project in the subject Theoretical Foundations of Computer-Aided Design performed by student Panchak Sofia. The topic of this project is simulation modeling in SolidWorks. A solid-state model was formed and simulation modeling was performed in the SolidWorks Simulink, as well as an application for arithmetic calculation was created, implemented in C# in the Visual Studio environment. First of all, I will show you the program code. Here, the main form is created, where there is a special input field to put a value of the force. Automatically, it's set to 5,000 kilograms of force per centimeter. Later, the SolidWorks environment process is started. An important step is to load a library CosmoWorks for simulation. We do it here. The next step, we load our ready detail to the main field. The next step, we declare various variables and functions for the correct work of the simulation on the part. Then we run a new simulation and call it static1. After this, we set the material of our detail, alloy steel. This is the function of set material. Then we select two plans. These plans are selected to be pressured, and other two plans are selected to be affixed geometries. All selected plans are written to arrays and passed to the appropriate functions. Then we can see an important variable, value. Value is the value of the pressure entered by the user. Here also we can see parameters of the creature mesh function, which automatically creates a grid. And now we make visible our calculated parameters. So now I'm going to run our program and set a force of the pressure is 1000 kilograms of force per centimeter of square. Here we can see the red places is the places where the pressure will be performed, and the down basic is the fixed geometrics of our detail. As we can see, it was created a simulation, and in the left side of the screen we can see our pressure is set to 1000 kilograms of force per centimeter square, and from down we can see our results, calculated stress, displacement and strain. So that was a project of Sofia Panchak. Thank you all for watching.